Carlos again versus Novak Djokovic, Roland Garros semi-final 2023. It was, if you recall, the most anticipated clash of generations on clay. For two sets, level is electric. Alcaraz trading blow to blow with Djokovic. First set, Djokovic 6-3, Alcaraz second set 7-5. Djokovic फिर 6-1 लेते हैं थर्ड और फिर fourth set में भी. So Djokovic wins in 4 set and goes on to claim his 23rd Grand Slam title. What a great champion he is. So इतने tension और heat में Alcaraz body cramps. Although he's a much younger player, his movement collapses and the match suddenly tilts sharply. हम जितना भी effort करें, हमारी जो destiny है, जो gods की will है, उसके आगे हमारी कुछ नहीं चलेगी. हमारा प्रारब्ध हमारे काम आएगा और इसलिए अल्कराज जितने भी अपनी एज का एडवांटेज या स्टैमिना का एडवांटेज बट उस दिन नहीं ले पाए. हिज बॉडी वाज क्रैम्पिंग बैडली. अर्ली इन द थर्ड सेट 1-1 था जब अल्कराज का सडनली क्रैम्प हो गया और उसके बाद से बॉडी जस्ट रिफ्यूज्ड. ऑल्दो being such a great player, he carried on for retired नहीं किया अल्कराज ने. Hats off to him. गीता का अगर हम मैसेज इसमें रिलेट करना चाहें तो चैप्टर 6 वर्स नंबर 16, बंधुरात्मानस्तस्य येनात्मान आत्मनजित अनात्मानस्तु शत्रुवे फत्रे तात्मात्वे शत्रुवत. For those who have conquered the mind, it is the mind becomes a friend. For those who have failed to do so, the mind works like an enemy. So here again, mind को कंट्रोल करना again वो मैसेज गीता से हमें मिल रहा है. और रॉ टैलेंट जो ऑफ कोर्स कार्लोस के पास था, बट इनर बैलेंस कहीं उस दिन ब्रेक हुआ है प्रेशर के अंदर और जोकोविच ने ये मैच फिर जीता. हम फाइनल में अगर आए जो मैच दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, Rafael versus Djokovic again, Roland Garros 2012. So there Nadal became the king of clay forever. Nadal, both as a human being and as a super player, is one champion that we all admire. और ये मैच heavyweight clash था between the two greatest rivals अपने era के. Djokovic enters on a historic streak. Djokovic ने, can you just remember, having beaten Nadal in 7 straight finals across services. अलग-अलग services पे 7 बार हराया हुआ था और many believe Nadal's clay dominance is finally cracking. Nadal races to a 2-set lead. 6-4, 6-3 जीत रहे थे. उसके बाद Djokovic being the fighter he is, storms back, taking the third set 2-6 or going up a break in the fourth. And वहाँ पे if you recall बारिश आना शुरू होती है और momentum suddenly shift हो जाता है. Nadal looks lateral and Djokovic looks ascendant. तो ऐसा लग रहा है. तो after a rain delay, Nadal again resets mentally. हमें पता है कि जोकोविच बहुत माइंड गेम खेल सकते हैं, बट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे, इन स्पाइट ऑफ व्हाटएवर Djokovic was trying and the rain gods were helping him, Nadal resets mentally and breaks back immediately and seals the match to win the 7th Roland Garros title, surpassing Bog's record. The turning point was in the fourth set, 2-1. Djokovic double faults on break point. Unthinkable, but this is what pressure can do to you. So after a rain delay, a movement happened that flips the match back to Nadal. So गीता के चैप्टर 2 वर्स 48 में, योगस्थ करो कर्माणि संग त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्धस्य सिद्धस्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वम योग उच्यते. So equanimity, equipoised रहना changing condition में, is the highest form of yoga. Yoga is, like we all know, is the art of connecting. And the one line message here was, champions don't control the weather, they control their inner climate. and what a true champion both of the players was. But here, Rafka just managed to show us a great game. Thank you all. My purpose was that through the love of tennis
ये
that
ज़्यादा
we
लग
all
रहा है।
have, we are able to find, there is some resemblance of tennis also, and we have seen in the 10 matches that we have shown to you, starting from Roland Garros 2025, Wimbledon 2023, Australian Open 2022, Australian Open 2022. 24, and Wimbledon 2019, Roland Garros 21, again Australian Open 17, and Roland Garros 23 and 2012. That there are so many teachings that these matches have. The changing conditions need to be endured. We have to lift ourselves after all situations are just forcing us to collapse. We have to elevate ourselves. We have to fight when defeat seems certain, let go of fear of loss, remove frustration to find clarity, stay steady, evolve our skills constantly, let faith reshape our destiny, and prepare until practice becomes power, and stay balanced in all efforts. So more or less, the learning from Gita in so many chapters that we have seen, starting from chapter 2 to chapter 6, chapter 4, 5, and that adaptation to adversity, a self-realization of the power that is within us, a fighting spirit to play freely for one point at a time. हमें ये ज़िंदगी का मैच भी ऐसे ही खेलना है, and to be calm, equipoised, and our skill is sacred. If we can find the connect to the skill at opportune times, and it is the belief only that can transform difficult situations in our favor, and we have to be in a position to control our mind in the most challenging circumstances. And if we can attain this mind balance, we can be masters of our destiny. Thank you so much, and wish you all great games of tennis as we continue to enjoy further matches of great champions. Thank you. God bless.